Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is watermelon. We'll be making watermelon pizza with whipped cream and berries and grilled watermelon and feta salad.
Hello.
Shall we get started?
Hi.
Hi, Chef.
Hi. For this salad, for the adults or it would be good for kids too. We're going to, you can do this on your grill. I'm doing it on a little griddle here, a flat top, but just we salt and peppered our watermelon, and we just put it flat side down on a hot surface or a hot grill.
Greased it all? And
Yeah, I sprayed it and I just salt and peppered the watermelon.
Okay, great.
So let's let that sit there for a minute and let that kind of pick up a little color. I think it'll caramelize a little bit. It'll change the texture and give a little smoky flavor. So,
well, tell me about watermelon's nutritional value.
So watermelons is made mostly of water. It's about 90% water, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals, a lot of antioxidants. It has a lot of vitamin C, which helps to support your immune system and help fight illnesses.
Right.
And vitamin A, which helps with your eyesight, your skin, your teeth. It's a great one of the first foods for your babies. You can introduce it as early as 6 months, as long as they can chew.
And for the summer, it's very refreshing,
It's
right?
very refreshing. It's a great alternative to any juices or sodas because they'll keep them well hydrated.
Great. So you said introducing it to them after they can chew. Can I give a baby a piece of watermelon, or do you puree it?
No, I would start giving very small bite-sized pieces, or you can puree it and give it to them as a drink as well.
Have you introduced watermelon to your son?
I have a 7-month-old at home, and he just loves it.
Oh, great, great. So what are we doing over here?
We put some arugula. We're going to put some feta cheese, put some herbs. We have some basil, some mint, some parsley, all chopped up together. We have some nice aged balsamic.
And you don't have to be afraid to introduce other seasonings to babies either. It helps to develop their palate earlier on. So
that's good to know.
All your seasonings would be great for babies too.
And we're going to take off our seared watermelon, and we're just going to cut it up.
Great. What about moms-to-be? What properties are in watermelon that would help them?
It's great for the antioxidants and the water. A lot of times moms don't drink enough water, and we always try to enforce and make sure they don't get dehydrated, especially in the summer months.
Yeah.
So this is a great way to get their water content in.
I think that's something like I hear women craving watermelon when they're pregnant.
Yeah.
The full watermelon intimidates me sometimes, but it's so nice
Yeah,
now.
we can talk about that a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think always take a watermelon and just, if you're concerned about it rolling, just cut a little part off the bottom. Okay, and set it down flat. So now it's flat.
Wow, you just solved all my problems.
Yeah, once it's flat, just cut it in half. Our salad's ready. We're gonna go over here and assemble these little fun things. You don't need to do much to watermelon for kids to want to eat it. So this is some peaches and blueberries I have together with some cinnamon and sugar. Okay.
Just saying the name pizza and watermelon, you had me at that. Like, my kids will eat this.
Okay, they're fun. You know, it's
Beautiful.
easy stuff, but
Looks
you're
great.
looking
So
for
easy.
Like a little
ideas.
assembly
Yeah,
line, and they can just add whatever they want to it.
Right.
Looks
I
great.
think we'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar on this.
Ready?
And our salad, yep. We'll toss it together. We'll put a little bit of, I already put the balsamic. We'll put a little oil.
This looks fantastic.
Yeah, and the warm watermelon looks nice. It like takes on like a different little
Yeah, it looks like
texture.
tomato almost.
Right.
Yeah, it's almost like compressing it. You're getting like a little different texture out of it. So
This looks amazing. Should we try it?
Yeah.
two fun things you can do with watermelon. So
This would be a kid favorite. Mm-hmm. Need to make sure I get
now
the
I'll try
feta.
my dessert.
So good.
Wow, that's delicious.
The warm watermelon is amazing.
It really does change it. Yeah,
Yeah, it does.
It makes it seem very like vegetable-y. Yeah, I like it. They're very good.
What a great combo.